Hola, it's me, Dave. Today we're making delicious Mexican food. I say we because I'm here with my friend and colleague Andrea. Hola, Andrea, ¿cómo está?
Hola, muy bien, Dave. Thanks.
Hey, pretty good, right? Now today we're making tacos Dorados de pollo. I hope I'm saying that right. And Andrea's kind of an expert on this dish. She's gonna show us how it's done.
Well, actually, Dave, this is one of my favorite recipes, and the original recipe is made deep frying the tacos, but I just like to be a little bit more healthy and using my air fryer.
So with the air fryer, super healthy, also saving electricity. Sounds like a match that I would be into. Let's get started. Let's get cooking.
So the first thing we gotta do, Dave, is to warm up the tortillas for 20 seconds on the microwave, just so they don't break while we're rolling the tacos. Okay, so the next thing we gotta do is just take the tortilla and put some of the chicken inside and roll it. And I would suggest using your basket right now, so you can start like placing them.
Okay.
And then you just keep doing the same with the tortillas. So once you put your last taco in the basket, you can just add a little bit of oil and then put your basket in the air fryer.
.400 degrees, 10 minutes. Andrea, it's taco time. What do you think?
Okay, they're great, a little bit burnt, but it's okay, you can always turn them around.
I think they look all right. Okay, what now?
Now we have to plate them. So just you can grab some tonsils. You put them in the plate, and then we can garnish them.
Ooh.
Let's do it. And there's an important order for the ingredients. So first, we gotta grab the guac and put them on top.
Got it. How much guac is too much guac?
Just like tacos, there's never enough. Once the guac is on, we're gonna add the lettuce. Then we're gonna add sour cream.
Sour cream.
And then, at last, but not least, some of the cheese, cotija cheese, or whatever kind of cheese you like.
What kind of cheese? What kind of cheese are you talking about?
It's called cotija.
Cotija. Did I say that right? Cotija.
Really good.
Okay.
Then you just add some of it on top. Right? It's be pretty good.
Whoa, yes. Now, do you want to see mine?
Yeah, of course.
Look at us. Can you see that?
Ooh, they look delicious, Dave. Great job.
Got the seal of approval.
Last step, which is either you rather spicy or not, we have two types of salsa, red or green. So it's up to you. I love green personally.
I prefer to call it by its name in Spanish, which is
Verde.
salsa verde. Andrea, what's the verdict?
It looks amazing.
Right? First time? Not bad. Okay, Andrea, it's go time. Let's do this.
Let's do this. I'm ready to begin. Dave? In Mexico, we eat tacos with our hands, not with cutlery. Muy rico.
Muy rico. That's amazing.